Hi students, let's learn topic today. Counting in groups, standard second subject maths. So let's see students, today we are going to learn topic counting in groups. So see what is given here, count and write. Students, we have to count here these sticks and we have to write total number of sticks here. So let's see students, we will count here now. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So how many sticks are here students? So here are total 35 sticks are here. So I am writing here 35 sticks. Let's see now. So I am writing total number 35 sticks here. Okay. So here are total 35 sticks are here. So see next students now. Next is students, Yash and Rama counted these sticks by two different methods. Okay. So Yash and Rama counted these sticks by two different methods. So now see which two different methods Yash and Rama use. Let's see now students. So you can see here how these students count these sticks. Let's see now. So in first picture you can see this Yash is counted. He's divided these sticks in two parts. Okay, so let's see how he divided. We'll count here. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here are total 18 sticks are here. Okay, again in next line how many sticks are there? Let's start. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So many, total how many sticks are here? You can see here total 35 sticks are here. Okay, how this boy Yash count these sticks? Like he also count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like okay, so this type he count. Now see next picture. So you can see here this girl Rama, how she has count here. So she make, you can see she make a bundle of these sticks. Okay, one bundle, two bundle or three bundle. Okay, I think. Okay, so she makes bundle of 10. Okay, one bundle of 10, second bundle of 10, third bundle of 10. And here are units or singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units are here, or 5 single sticks are here. Means 3 tens. 3 tens means, you know, 1 tens means 10, 2 tens means 20, and 3 tens means 30. Okay, 4 tens 40, 5 tens 50, 6 tens 60, 7 tens 70, 8 tens 80, 9 tens 90, 10 tens 100 like this. Okay, so this Rama girl, what she did, she make a group of 10. Okay, and how many groups she make? She make 3 groups. Okay, of 10, 10, 10. Okay, so it's equal to 30. Okay, so 3 tens, this one, let's see now. Okay, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens means 30. And how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units means 30 plus 5, 35 means we can write here 3 tens and 5 units or singles means 3 tens 30, 5 units 5 means 30 plus 5, 35. Like this you can students count these sticks. Okay, see next now. Next is, it is easier to count if we make groups of 10. Okay students, so this is very easy thing. If you make a groups of 10, okay, we make a groups of 10 for everything, then we can easily count these things. Okay students, so see next now. Next one is, Ahmed friends have some sticks. They have been counted by making groups of 10. Okay, so there is one boy, his friends have also some sticks and they have also been counted by making groups of 10. Okay, they also make a groups of 10 and again they count these sticks. Let's see now. So here you can see Salma had 24 sticks. Okay, you can see Salma had 24 sticks and how she had counted here. So she make 2 groups of 10, 1 tens, 2 tens and singles, 1, 2, 3, 4 singles or 4 units. Okay, so 2 tens you can see here. Okay, this 1 tens and 2 tens. Okay, means 2 tens means 20 plus 4 means 4 units means 4 singles is equal to 20 plus 4 is equal to 24. Like this Salma had counted these sticks. Okay, see next picture students. Sharad had 45 sticks. You can see here Sharad had 45 sticks, and how he had counted here, so he make 4 groups of 10. Okay, let's see. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. Okay, means 4 tens means 40, and how many single sticks are here? 1 2 3 4 5 single sticks are here. Okay, so how we can write here? So we can write here 4 tens means 40. Okay, and 5 units means 5 is equal to 45. Okay, so we can write like this. Okay students, so see next now. Next, what is given? Let us count the things shown below in the same way. So in the same way we have to count these things. Now let's see now. Here what is given students, you can see. Okay, 2 tens are given here. Okay, 1 tens, 2 tens, 2 groups of tens. Okay, and how many singles are? 1 2 3 4 5 6 singles are here. Okay, you can see. Okay, so 2 tens plus 6, we will write here 6 units, and 2 tens means 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. We will write 26 here. So I am writing here. Let's see now. So how many tens? 2 tens, 6 units is equal to 26. So like this we can write here. Okay students, so see next now. Next is here are also groups of tens. How many groups of tens are here? Let's see. This one group, 2 3 4 groups of 10. You can see, we will count first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here are also 10 dots are there. You can see here. Okay, so 10, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. Okay, and how many singles? 1 2 3 or units, 3 units. So we will write here. We will write here 4 tens and 3 units is equal to 43. We will write here 42. So I am writing here. Let's see students. So 4 tens and 3 units is equal to 43. We can write like this students. Okay, so see next now. Next you can see here also. Okay, here are also groups of 10. How many groups of 10s are here? 1 2 3 4 5 groups of 10s. And how many units are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 singles or 6 units are here. We will first count how many bricks are here in one line. Okay, let's see. One group, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 bricks are here in one group. Okay, so 1 tens means 10. Okay, 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay, and how many units? 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. Okay, so we can write here 5 tens, we'll write here 6 units, we'll write here 56. Okay, let's see now. Okay, so we'll write here 5 tens students, we'll write here 6 units students, and what is total? 56. We can write this. Okay, so this type we can solve, we can count in the group students. Okay, so I think that's all from this lesson students. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you like this video then please subscribe for more videos like this, like and share for motivation.